Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. I'm just gonna be doing my makeup. It's more like a chit chat, get ready with me. I think I'm just gonna get started because I'm like getting scared looking at myself. I'm gonna prime my face with the Mario spray real quick. I was just like, you know what? I need to sit down and I need to do my makeup. You might hear my kids screaming and playing in the background, but that's literally the only way I can make a video these days. I've tried, I know it's been like a long time since I've posted a video, but that is because every time I try, the lighting is horrible, or I don't have storage on my phone, or they are just being very like too much, you know, for me to video. So, and it's fine, you know, whatever, but this is the only way I can video right now. So I hope this isn't too annoying because you're gonna hear every little thing that they're doing in the background. I know one day these boys aren't gonna be running around screaming in these halls, so I am gonna enjoy it as long as I can. So I went in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro, what is it? The Pro Glow foundation. This is literally my go-to because I am more on the dry side. Right now I have like combination skin. My nose has been very kind of oily, but the rest of my face is pretty dry. So this is literally my favorite foundation. It's not super full coverage, but I'm mixing these concealers because I do like a bright under eye, and I just use the Fenty one, which is like my skin color, like my foundation color. And then I use the Flower Beauty one that I have a little bit lighter. And honestly, they're both super good concealers, so let me just blend that in real quick. If you guys have not tried the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush, I don't know if you can read that. It's a very awesome brush for your, your concealer. Be careful, dude. Rosie's coming up here, so sorry if there's an interference. I'm just using the Airspun powder because I ran out of my Laura Mercier one finally, and I am not about to spend the money for a new one when I already have an Airspun. So it does the job, but if you do put too much, it can be super, super drying, and you might end up looking like Flashback Mary, if you know the whole James Charles thing. What? Whoa, you did that?
Yeah, by myself.
That's pretty cool, dude.
The house, right?
Braden's playing Fortnite. He just built himself a house. Yeah. Yeah, give him. You're a ghost?
Yeah, but if I go under the ground.
Well, you're floating.
Oh, shit. If I go underground. What shit?
I'm watching. How'd you do that?
Because I'm not.
Hey, you gotta sit. You can't. Okay. Okay. This is gonna be challenging, but we're gonna get it done. No. This is also why when I do some videos, they take a long time because I'm always having to pause and stop and like, you know, take care of them and, you know, whatever. Can you get down, please? Ew, dude, clean your boogers. I do need a little bit more powder up here, and on my neck. What else? I need to put some brown stuff. What is that called? Bronzer. And I'm just gonna use the Hoola bronzer. I can't really see. I'm not trying to like overwhelm him with my hands all in his face, but I need to see. Hi, can you sit down, please? Hi. Hey, put my soap back. Put it down. No. Sit down. Stop touching. Don't touch this. No. You're really messing up my flow here, bros.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. Can you sit down, please? Or I'm going to put you in the other chair. Thank you. These kids don't listen, man. I don't know what else to talk about. How did y'all's Christmas go? Did you guys do anything fun? Did you get cool presents? Were you grateful? The answer should be yes. No. Holy cow, he's scratching my palette. This is one of my Christmas presents that I got. the bronzer. I don't think I need that much. What else? I went to, my dad's in Spring, Texas. We went there. They do Christmas at midnight, which was interesting. Austin has never done Christmas at midnight. And that was like my second time having like Christmas with that side of my family. I did it one year, like forever ago. I think like my junior year. And it's different. I know some people do it, but that's just not how like I grew up doing it. It was super fun though. I love seeing all my family. And it's just nice. Like the whole point is family, right? So it was different, but we all had fun. The boys got very spoiled. Can you stop, please? Thank you. What else? I need highlights. Then we came home. We did, son, what do you need soap for? We need you to sit down like this. Sit. Sit down on my leg. Nope, this is mommy's. So then we came back home. And literally they do it at midnight, okay? So like Christmas Eve, they have dinner and they play like Christmas games, family games, and then they open presents at midnight, and then everyone I think kind of hangs out for a little while after. But we went home after we did gifts with everybody, and we got home pretty late. I didn't even end up going to bed until like 6 in the morning, maybe 7 in the morning. And then Brayden woke us up to show us that Santa came to the house around like 9-ish, I think. So that was really fun, and I'm not being sarcastic, it really was. It's tiring, but it was literally so exciting. This past year, the Christmas was his first time like waking us up on his own. The other 3 Christmases we've had, because he's only 4, we have had to wake him up. He's not a morning person, and he definitely like can sleep till noon if you let him, if you sit there and cuddle him. But this year he woke up by himself. We had to wake Brody up, and it was so cute. It was so amazing. I'll insert pictures if I have any. But yeah, it was really nice. Oh, I was like, wait, we did another Christmas. So we had my dad's Christmas. We came home, did our little family Christmas, and then Austin's parents and his siblings came over, and then we did a Christmas with them, and then we went to Atlanta and did a whole Christmas over there, and then we came back to more presents, which is we count as our Christmas from my mom and my dad. They sent stuff from Florida for the boys, and let me tell you, I was stressing, y'all. I was stressing that we weren't gonna, have enough money to like get them as much stuff as we wanted to get them for Christmas. It was really stressing me out, y'all. And then my mom talked to me, and she pretty much made me feel way better about the situation, because she was like, they're not even going to remember, like if they don't even understand, because they're still so little, that like they could just get one gift or like a couple, and they're gonna have fun. They're gonna love opening it. They're gonna love, doing all that stuff. They're not really gonna be like, oh wow, I only got this many, or wow, this is it, Any kind of present, they're gonna be like over the moon excited. And because it's from Santa, it was real, it just, when she put it in that perspective, I was like, wow, you're right. Because I don't remember like my Christmas is that young. I mean, maybe other people do, but I don't. So I definitely felt better when she told me that, and I was able to relax a little bit more and breathe. And that's when I tried to like film, but then I didn't like how the videos came out, and I was like, I can't. Like, I didn't want to half-ass something when you could tell like my vibe was off, like I didn't want to make myself film if I just couldn't, you know what I mean? I didn't want to like have to be fake on the camera. And right now I'm in a good place. Christmas is over. It's a new year. I'm not gonna do anything crazy with my eyeshadow, but I'm like, I need to do something. I don't know what to do. I hope none of these are dirty. I definitely need to wash my brushes, so please don't judge me. I think I'm just gonna go in with this 1985 color. It's kind of like already the color of my eyeliner. What? What, baby? So I'm just gonna do a light layer. We'll use that as my transition. Let me help you?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a commercial. Oh, here you go. There you go. Okay, and then now I'm just gonna go straight into Mr. Diva, this brown right under that one. I'm using the same brush. If you think that's disgusting, I'm sorry. Put this more into my crease. I think I'm gonna go in with What's the Tea, right? This color, which is kind of like a green brown. It's very pretty because it's different. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. I'm just adding that to like the the lowest part of my crease. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I just kind of add colors wherever I feel like. I think I'm gonna do this color right here. It's called Channel. The names are so cute. So this first row says, welcome back to my channel, Wand Noise. Like those are the names of the color. But anyways, okay, we're gonna go in with the channel color and we're just gonna pack that all over the lid. I'm just gonna go in with a highlight and I think I'm gonna do rolls with it, this color down here. All right, I like that. So I'm gonna do this lip combo that I did yesterday and I loved it so much. What I do is take the dark one, which is the teddy bear one by Milani, and I put it on a brush because it's more precise than actually using the lipstick. And I'm gonna do it as like a liner, I guess. And I just keep going back and forth. I kind of blend it down just a little bit because I'm gonna put the other color in the middle. I don't really wipe any excess off. I just kind of, you know, add to the mess. I'm really into the dark lip liners and like the lighter fill-in or whatever. These are super creamy. Any Maybelline lipsticks like this or the Milani ones are really, really good. And again, Beige Babe by Milani, and I mean, Beige Babe by Maybelline, and then Teddy Bear by Milani. So I'm missing eyelashes, huh? I think I'm just going to do mascara. I'm not gonna put falsies on. And I'm not a person to use eyeliner because one, I feel like my eyes are pretty small already and I don't really know how to properly apply it. So when I do it, I feel like I overdo it and it just kind of ruins the whole makeup. All right, guys, I think I'm just going to set my eyebrows with the e.l.f. Wow Brow, is what it's called. And I have it in deep brown, but I really want the black one. It says black, but it's just like a even darker brown. Because I'm running out. I know my hair's a mess right now, but I literally crimped my hair 2 days ago, I think. And this is like the after 2-day mess. So when I naturally dry my hair, this hair back here and like underneath, it actually already looks like this if I don't brush it. Like if it naturally dries, it looks like this. But because I touch like around my face a lot and because I sleep on my sides a lot, this part kind of flattens out more, you know? But I still like the way it looks because it still looks really natural. I think you guys should invest in a crimper and we should bring crimped hair back in 2020. And yeah, I wish you would have seen it like when it was freshly done, but it still looks really good, like natural. I think that's it though, guys. Thank you guys so much for sitting here and watching me do my makeup while my kids, you know, were interacting with me. I guess that's it. I say way too much. I'm gonna punch myself in the face. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.